Welcome to all. In the previous video, you see the hostname configuration with the Python Telnetlib module. In this video, you use the Telnetlib module to check the device running configuration. I used the same lab. Let's begin. As you see in the VS Code editor, I have two Python files. I will open the terminal and copy the file to amend it for this tutorial. As I mentioned in the beginning, you see the Telnetlib module in action to retrieve the running config of the Cisco device. I have copied the script. This script needs to change only the Cisco command block portion to achieve the task. The script has now changed. Let's telnet to the device to see how the terminal length 0 command works. First, you run the command without terminal length 0. As you see, it stops at your terminal length size. If you hit the Enter key, it displays one line only, and if you hit the spacebar it changed to the next full page at your terminal size. But we do not want this in our Python script. To limit this behavior, you use the terminal length 0 commands to show the running config at once. After this command, you can retrieve the all configuration till the end. I hope now you get the idea why the terminal len 0 commands are used. That's the end of this video tutorial. In the next video you will explore some more network automation scripts. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.